ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, 10 साल पहले
मान्य सदस्य प्लीज, मान्य सदस्य आप सुबह से मैं आपको कई बार आग्रह कर चुका हूं।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर,
जब आपके नेता को मैंने स्पष्टीकरण के लिए कह दिया है तो माननीय सदस्य, मैं सदन के नेता से कहूंगा कि अपने सदस्यों से डिसिप्लिन बना के रखें। बी मेहताब जी।
Honorable Speaker, sir, yesterday the discussion continued till 11:59 p.m. It was a long discussion, but one issue which I need clarification from the government is relating to farming being done by women, which has not been discussed after such a long discussion that we had here. Oxfam had published a report a decade ago about women doing 80% of India's farm work, though only 13% of the land is owned by women. The pronoun of farmer even today in our country is he. It is not gender neutral. It is the male who dominates farm sector policy making mindset. And that's why this question is to the union government. Women account for 33% of farm labor and 48% are self-employed farmers. In UP, women own under 18% of the agriculture land. And in Kerala, which is supposed to be one of the most literate state, the percentage of women owning agriculture land is not more than 14% as per NSSO survey. What steps the government is taking, because land reform and land title is also a part of the union government agenda of rural development ministry. What steps the government is taking to move away from the entrenched patriarchy which has resulted in women being discriminated against? Is there any move in this regard?
माननीय सदस्य।